Snipply today. So what's up, guys? Had a long ride, filled up 2 cards 2 days ago. Transferred everything to my computer. Started deleting some old files. Deleted a file that said it's too big for the recycle bin. Bam! Lost all the footage. So I got a restore program. So I got like half of the first ride on the railroad tracks, which is my next video. You're probably watching it right now or just watched it. And the second half I had to actually pay for a program because it looks like it's going to recover them. Didn't want to do it with the other free one. So we'll see. That sucked because there's a lot of good footage. I had a fire here the other day. Where is it? I don't even see. Old Gaylordsville Diner had a fire. Gotta stop for some supplies. Had to come say hi. See you, Bob.
Bob's the man.
Yes, sir. That looks abandoned. Take a little ride, see if we can get down near the lake. Witch's Circle. I like it when it's about 80. That's my ideal weather. That's why I like Florida. That tree grew twisted. I think the last video I did on this road may have been the Pokemon run. Oh, bear! Holy shit! Oh my god. Damn. Don't see that every day. Blade's gonna need a new back tire real soon. It's pretty bald. Oh, now fox. Running with something in its mouth.
Mutual of Omaha's Wild Kingdom.
Come on, Blade. Oh, looks like we just missed somebody. How's that tire?
About useless.
You want me to lead?
Oh yeah, I guess so.
Yeah, he dumped it the other day, so he's a little nervous, I think.
Might never get out of this motherfucker, but I'm here.
Mud. Somebody was just here. Or maybe they're still here. Ah, he's not gonna like this. Not at all. That's the worst of it. You're almost to the bottom. You're almost to the bottom.
Yeah, but I gotta get out of this motherfucker somehow.
Just slip the clutch and go slow. This is the worst of it.
I'm never going to be able to ride this thing out here. I thought this was like the other one.
Well, it kind of is. Well, if I have to, I can ride it up.
Well, I can't ride that up.
Well, you can make it some way, and then I'll walk.
The water's right down there?
Yeah, right where I was.
Yeah.
And I stopped is the worst of this. This section here is the worst.
I just walked it down and I'll figure it out.
I didn't think it was that bad. You can't sit on it and just go real slow? Somebody's getting it with the boat.
Dumbest fucking thing I've ever done.
Blade.
This is it?
Down a little farther.
Alright. Oh, I'm fucking here now. I don't look like I'll be leaving, so let's...
Blade. That's it.
You know I can't fucking get out of here.
The heck is that? Look at it. That a ball, pipe?
Piece of one, it looks like. Yeah, it's a broken bowl.
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir it is. That's a weird find, dude.
Yeah. If you don't think you make it, I'll go up a little ways. I'll walk back down.
Well, I don't know, dude. I'm fucking gonna be good.
Poor Blade. I feel bad now. I didn't think it was that bad.
So I don't fuck you. You know what I mean? I don't know.
He's got it. Woohoo! Think we need a shot for that.
Fuck me running.
See, you could do it. It wasn't as bad as you thought, was it? Now we got to get down the hill.
Well, that I can do in fucking first gear if I got him.
Fireflies are out. See you, Blade. Having fireworks tonight, see if we can get a glimpse of them. I don't know if we're gonna be high enough.
Dude, it's just the last field before the end.
I don't know if we're gonna see it from here.
Oh, sure as shit don't hear anything yet.
Yeah, it's too thick up there. I don't think we're gonna see him good here.
We could go to the one right behind the town garage right there, right?
Yeah. What do you think?
Did you see the fireworks in here? Yeah. Yeah? Alright, how about we park right over by those cars right there? That alright with you? I just love you. Tell me that wasn't the lamest thing you ever seen in your life.
It was. That was pretty lame. I think we're a little late. And fireworks up in the field are way better than that. Ooh, flying stick.